hindi lang football pitch yung kinoconstruct ninyo. Meron po ba kayong ibang facilities na nire-refurbish dito sa PSC?
Sa PSC wala because wala pa. But of course everything is done naman the proper way with PSC, so there's really a bidding process. So when it comes to the PSC, talagang we're very keen. Talagang lumalaban kami to win these projects because they represent they're the national stadium. So we have to be in there because of our commitment also to our athletes. When we build facilities, I've said this before, the first thing in mind are athletes. We want to make sure that we build facilities that will make the athletes perform to the best of their ability. And then number two, we want to protect the investment of the facility owner. So Mr. Bachman already said that they are continuously renovating facilities here, so we will be following all those renovations and we will fight to the best of our ability to win all of them.
Yes, ma'am, kasi nga, yung last coverage namin ng palaro, yung track oval is below standard, tapos short yung line, tapos natutuklap yung pad. So, sa group niyo po ba, ma'am, gumagawa din kayo ng track oval?
Yes, we did the new Clark City ng ginamit sa SEA Games. So it's the first and only Class 1 certified oval track. Ngayon, when it comes to, ito yung sinasabi ko, we don't want to compromise the quality because of price. We never, pag ganun, we actually back out because ayaw namin i-shortchange yung government or any sport. Ang pinakamasama, you spend millions and then after 3 months, you have to redo everything. So we were actually asked by that facility to check and see what we can do. So I don't know what the government will do about it or that facility, but we already gave them our input regarding how to renovate that facility. It's not up to us anymore, it's up to them to anyway.
Ma'am, ilang sports yung kinikater nyo na kino-construct? Kasi 72 sports, pero lahat yan merong facilities, may mga venues niya. Ilan po?
We cater to all sports, basta sports surface. So whether it be swimming pool, baseball fields, we also do. We're the only ones that can do baseball fields here right as of the moment. And like I mentioned, we also do multi-purpose courts for schools, we do basketball courts, and in esports actually stands for everything sports, not electronic sports. Nauna kami. And so if you think the sport, we can do it. And no matter how far you are, we will go to you.
Ma'am, last question. Ano po ba yung grupo po ng Esports International? Ano po ba yan? Mga group of engineers, group of sports technical persons, or...
We have been in the sports industry for 21 years, but Ms. Audres also has been in the sports industry much longer than that. We were founded in 2024. We are a construction company that has a PTAP license.
Founded 2004.
2004, yes, sorry. Founded 2004, yes. So, do we have engineers? Yes, we also have architects. And all our sales employees are ex-athletes. Actually, that's how we were founded. We were very frustrated with the facilities of the Philippines back in the day. And so we all gathered together and said, we need to change that. And then 21 years later, here we are changing it. So I hope we continue to change that.
No, actually, we also we went beyond the Call of Duty. So, marami kasi ngayon nagpapatayo ng sports complex, but they really don't know what to do with the land. So, our architects will actually do a concept design. We go as far as that. So, we present you the design, we give you the cost of the project, and then from there, the city government will have an intelligent decision on how to proceed with their sports facility.
Last question na lang po kay Engineer. Engineer, last time na pumunta kami ng Tugod was 2003. Ang ganda ng facilities. Tapos sa taas nun, merong motocross na ano na sa bundok mismo yung motocross na venue. Ngayon po ba sir na may ganyan na kayo kagandang football pitch, paano natin siya i-maximize na pupuntahan yung venue nyo para matuto naman ng talagang football yung mga bata.
Thank you sir sa questions. Siguro sir yung publicity is makakatulong talaga sa yung social media. Kasi speaking of sports, yung mga mga leaders namin, yung governor, yung dalawang congressman namin, kita nyo naman kung gaano sila kahilig sa sports. Yung congresswoman namin na si Congresswoman Amina is siya sa triathlon. Medyo na kami, angat na kami doon sa triathlon kasi umabot na kami ng sila umabot na sila sa ibang bansa to compete in triathlon. And also to incoming governor, Khalid Binocoro. Kasi si Gob is mahilig siya sa motocross last time. Kaya yun, nano namin. Yung sa bundok, yung sinasabi mo sir, na yung pinaka, na tinawag namin na yung Mindanao, Lanao del Norte is the sports capital. Tinawag kami na gano'n. Dahil doon, kay Congressman Khalid. Siguro yung incoming namin, yung supportan niya sa sports, kung ano man yung ginawa niya last, na siya yung governor, mas ngayon, mas pa siguro, ay improve pa niya. Thank you.